going to use their VA loan, or they're going to buy a house on conventional financing, or they're going to, they want to upgrade to a new construction. They at least need to talk to someone like you, local, so they can get the 411 on what's really going on, because all that information, it's we don't know it's good information anymore. And
and it can be overwhelming.
Oh my God, it's overwhelming. I mean, I watch stuff on TikTok, Instagram, and I'm just learning stuff. I'm like, man, I don't want to watch anymore because I need to do some research, see if it's legit. But I think if they're looking online like that, they should reach out to you and talk to you, because you can actually give them an idea of where they stand. Because if you know where you stand, you can now plan when you can buy. Okay,
absolutely,
that's good. Tell us a story of how you share one story. The client, what problem they had, what are they looking to buy, how'd you help them through, and what was the outcome?
Yes, I mean, I've got a handful of stories where I'll have a client or a real estate agent reach out to me and say, hey, my buyer was under contract. We're 2 to 3 weeks out from closing, and their lender just denied them. And unfortunately, that does happen. But for example, I had one client that was told by their lender they would need to wait another year before they would get approved and be able to get a loan, because of an employment gap they had. And I'm not sure if that lender just didn't dig deep enough or go far enough into the guidelines themselves. But I was able to dig a little deeper. We were able to explain the absence from work, and we were able to piece it together. Essentially, just writing that story for the underwriter is so important in explaining, this is the situation. This is why it meets FHA guidelines, why it meets Fannie Mae guidelines. And then just having all the facts ahead of time before it gets to underwriting is super important. And just having that strong team behind me to be able to help find those creative solutions to fix those complex problems.
That's really good. So tell me a story how you worked with a real estate agent or a realtor.
Well, I work, almost all my deals have real estate agents involved. For example, I've got one this year where she referred me someone last year around March, April timeframe, and we had some credit work to do. We were essentially below where we needed to be for a VA loan, and I was able to put together a credit plan for them. And between me and the realtor educating them along the way and just following up saying, hey, how's the credit work going? Are you putting in the work that you need to? Are you paying these items down? Are you taking care of this? Within, I would say 9 months, 10 months, we got their score up over 100 points. Wow. So we were able not to only qualify them, but really get them the best rate possible at that time. So just teamwork and having a loan officer, a realtor, a builder, even the title agents, insurance agents, all on the same page can really help and benefit you throughout the process of buying a home.
Yeah, you seem to me very passionate about the education process and help them navigate through that, keep them on track, get them to the finish line. And I find a lot of mortgage people just want to get to the finish line. They don't want to educate, if they're a good buyer. Oh, let's go to transaction. You're really about developing them into having a clear understanding of what they're doing, what's involved, what they really need to think about today and the future,